Hey, have you ever tried to ask AI a question and it gives you this long, drawn out response of things that you didn't really ask and it's just a bunch of garbage?
This is trash talk.
So what's the key to be able to get good responses from AI? In this video, I'm going to show you how I get good quality responses from AI every single time. As you can see here, this is a pretty general, normal question that most people ask AI. But there's not a lot of context here for AI to work from. What type of role do you have? Like, are you a business owner or are you in IT? And what kind of career field are you looking for? This is what AI needs to be able to give you good quality responses every single time.
I'm gonna need more details.
So now let's take a look at the type of information that it gave you back after you giving that vague prompt. As you guys can see, it's pretty vague. There's a lot of information here, but not a lot of action to be able to move forward to. There's AI, communication, something about business, a little bit about leadership, but it doesn't really give you exactly what you were looking for, or even maybe something that's even useful to your current role. So what do you need to be able to get good responses? Well, you need something solid, you need something simple, and you need a prompt. All right, so here's the prompt. It is the RCGO, standing for the role, the context, the guidelines, and the output.
Nice, yeah.
So the role, who is AI going to be during its search? The context, this is where the secret sauce is.
Very saucy.
Giving AI the more of the background of why you're looking for what you're looking for. It could be, I'm already PM, or this is for a project, or this is for a homework assignment. It'll give it the context so it understands what it should be looking for. If you're looking for homework or looking for a project, then it may look for more serious information than just a casual search. And then the guidelines, these are the rules. These are like the rules of the road to follow. It's going to tell AI exactly like how you actually want to be able to go out there, only look at very specific sites, or only go out there and get information that you can actually quantify. And then the output. This is you being the drill sergeant.
Go! What's your sole purpose in this army?
To do whatever you tell me, drill sergeant?
This is telling AI, I want it exactly how I want it. I want it in 3 sections, I want it to be summarized, and I want it to have maybe 2 or 3 real providers to be able to give me the training that I want. That's just a couple of examples that you could use during your AI prompts. Now, all of this is not about just saving time on a Friday afternoon. This is building up your skill set. This is taking stepping stones to become an AI facilitator.
Come again?
Somebody in your work or in your group that actually is irreplaceable. Someone who actually knows how to facilitate it for several different roles, different business needs. And using that RCGO framework is going to help you immensely. And it will help you be able to do repeatable things and get good quality information and be able to move faster throughout your day-to-day work or through your day-to-day life.
Oh, gotcha.
An AI facilitator is somebody who actually knows AI and how to use those different tools in every single facet of their life or in business. And also an AI facilitator can help coach and mentor people in their organizations of how to use AI tools more efficiently and better. So if you guys use the RCGO role, that's a very flexible prompt that allows you to do a lot of powerful things while you guys are working, and it always gives you good quality feedback every time that you use it. If you guys like what I'm doing, please give me a like, share, and subscribe. Also check out my description section where I actually give you a little bit more information about the RCGO prompt. And also please check out my community page on the YouTube and give me a message. Let's talk about AI or anything agile. And I'll definitely be there to answer any of your guys' questions. See you guys next time.